AIME is a career mentoring and internship program that provides students with experiences out in the workplace with over 90 business and community partners, where students can reinforce the technical skills and 21st century skills they're learning in the classroom and see how those skills are applied in the workplace. Today we were celebrating the Disneyland AIME Career Mentoring Program, where we had 12 students this summer over 6 weeks work with Disney mentors from the Disneyland Resort.
Here at the Disneyland Resort, we have a community workforce development initiative. And so through that initiative, we work out in our local community through local nonprofits as well as schools to provide workforce development opportunities. So the collaboration we have with AIME is part of that larger initiative. And what I love about the AIME program in particular is that it's an opportunity for mentorship in a way that is so unique to something only Disney can do, offering them career skills workshops to upskill them and prepare them to enter the workforce. We're offering networking opportunities through departmental overviews and meet and greets with our salaried leaders, and one-to-one mentorship as well. So our students are each paired with a mentor from a varying line of business that meet with them twice a week. And so through all of those different channels, we're able to provide a really well-rounded and robust program for our students that differs from just, a traditional high school internship, but we offer them opportunities, and it's really up to them to do with those opportunities what will best serve them.
We've had a lot of opportunity to expand as professionals and kind of expand coming out of high school and going into like a more professional work environment.
This is such a wonderful opportunity for incoming students. One of my favorite things about being here is just being able to meet with people who are in the field I want to work in. Everybody's so kind and so understanding.
Regardless if it was our guest speakers or our mentors or just the other interns, we met a lot of really special people and formed close relationships with them.
I think it's really important for students to participate in programs like these because it's really, I think, an opportunity for them to find confidence, to grow their skills, and to hopefully come out, even if they don't have a clear path of what they want to do next, with just a little more empowerment to know that the world is really their oyster, and the resort is a perfect place to demonstrate just how many opportunities are really out there.
Talk a lot about the 5 C's in our district, but for the students to have the ability to put those hard skills, those soft skills, the technical skills all together, to work together as a team while also getting mentorship and feedback, I think it's very vital for our communities to continue to just improve together.